Alright, so this is a 2020 low trail car hauler. This one, it is a 20-foot long by 8.5 wide. Here on the front it has a tongue mounted toolbox and your spare tire mount. This trailer has the Tandem 5,000 pound axles, so this gives you about a 6,800 pound load capacity on here. It also does have the drive over fenders with it. You come around the back side. This trailer has the two slide-in ramps. They just fit in to the back end of the trailer there. And then also does have the heavy-duty welded D-rings. There's two in the back here, then there's also two up in the front. The decking on this trailer is called Blackwood, so it's actually a rubberized decking. So there's a treated board under there, and then there's about a 1/4 inch thick layer of rubber applied to the top of it. Makes it great for when you're loading up in slippery conditions, either due to rain or snow. If it's something that looks good to you, please come down to Young Truck and Trailers here in Kaysville. We're located right off exit 328 on the west side of I-15.